Hello, I'm here. And this is the day 190. 190. And right now, I'm sleeping. Oh, I'm lying. Yeah, I'm lying down. I'm lying down in my bed. And I'm here watching the TV show Stargirl. And what more? Um, I still need to accomplish my goal, my another duty. That is read something, some book, yeah, read read some book. So I still need to do this thing, yeah. And when I finish here, yeah, when I finish here, or after some minutes, I go to read, yeah, read at least one page. Um, what more? What I have to say more? I will, I will. I had it today. Yeah, today I had it. Watch it. Watch it. One to one YouTube channel. Yeah, one video from YouTube channel. Some yeah, some videos. Someone specific YouTube channel. Yeah, one specific YouTube channel. The name is Global Earth. Yeah, Global Earth, and is interesting. Is interesting. 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 Yeah. That is channel caught my attention. Yeah. Uh, they have so many good idea of the videos and they show and yeah they show the different the the differentiations. Yeah. The differences that exist between languages. They they make some games between them, yeah, and much of the videos teach something about some country culture, some culture, or about the language, some curiosities, yeah, and I will spend some time, some days watching, yeah, watching this TV, this YouTube channel. Uh, I knew that YouTube channel for a while, yeah, for a while. Probably almost was almost when almost about for me or almost in the same time, yeah, almost in the same time that I started learning English, yeah, probably few months, like 2 or 3 or 4, yeah. Some months, few months later, I find that YouTube channel, yeah, and I've I've watched, yeah, watched some videos, but And in these last days, yeah, and I had stopped to watch it, and in these last days, I start again, yeah, I start to watch again, and I had learned some things, yeah, and this this wish for me, this wish for one to learn another language, and for one to learn about another countries, about the culture, for culture and things about some countries. I have increased, increased. No, yeah. Right now I have some doubt about that word. Increased. Yeah, yeah. Become. I would say become more great. Yeah. This wish inside of me become more strong. Become more huge. Yeah. But probably it increase. Probably this word is the right word. Yeah. But now I have some doubt about if this word means means to to become something more great, or if this word means to become something more dull, more little. Yeah. So I had this thought right now about the mean of the word increase. Yeah. But I think that baby is to let something more big, to let something more huge, something like that. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So when I finish, oh yeah, when I finish it, I'll see the real meaning. Yeah, the real meaning of this word. But it is. Yeah, I've learned something. Right? Yeah, I love some things and some wish, some feelings, some wishes have increased inside of me. And it's this. Right now that I have so many things, so much. I have so much to say. Yeah. So I'll finish this video right now, and I see myself tomorrow. Yeah, I see myself tomorrow, or I hate myself tomorrow. Well, I'll be here tomorrow, if you guys will. Yeah.